killed 12 of our best soldiers! How?
Everything you just watched, every cinematic shot, was made entirely with AI. Inside one tool in 10 minutes. From idea to short film, using Pippit AI. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So let's dive in. Head over to Pippit. It is not just a normal AI video generator, it's a full storytelling workflow. Script, storyboard, video, editing, all inside one platform. You are the director. And what makes it really powerful? Pippit just brought together two of the most advanced AI models on the planet. GPT Image 2 for visuals, and Seedance 2.0 for video generation. Both built directly inside Pippit. Building the story. I need a tight script. I opened Gemini and gave it the concept. I'm creating a sci-fi short film called Project Zero. Write a tight scene-by-scene script. Then I type the concept. Then say the requirements. Give me a scene-by-scene breakdown with dialogue, camera direction, and timing. Hit generate. And I had a watertight 30-second script. 5 scenes, 3 lines of dialogue, 1 jaw-dropping ending. Building the storyboard. Now we're inside Pippit. Select the model. Pippit has GPT Image 2 built directly into it. To maintain the character consistency, we are creating Nova's character image. Just copy the prompt from Gemini and paste it in Pippit. Choose the ratio and resolution. Hit generate. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds. Now watch this. Pippit gives you high-quality 4 results. Just select one. I am choosing this as Nova. She is fearless. Same workflow. Boom. Get another character, Formidable Miller. Okay, we got our 2 main characters. Now it is time to generate our scene images. And just copy the interrogation room scene from Gemini and paste it in Pippit. Upload Nova's image as reference. Hit generate. Now watch this. Scene 1 is ready. Nova is cold and mysterious. For scene 2, same workflow. Upload, paste, generate. And now we have Miller, the man who has no idea what he's up against. And you get the Agent Miller outburst scene. Just follow the same process. Scene 3, the training. Scene 4, the memory wipe. Same workflow. Every scene locked in under 2 minutes. I will show you more interesting things. Just select Image Studio and click on Image Editor. And upload all the images here. Arrange them in order, and voila, you get a complete storyboard. And every single one looks like a Hollywood production designer made it, bringing it to life. Now this is where it gets insane. Just upload the first image scene and paste the prompt. You will get the video generation ready prompt from Gemini using your storyboard image. Select the model Seedance 2.0 to get the most realistic up to 4K video clip. Select the resolution and duration. I am mentioning to generate 5-second clip. Hit generate. Nova is fabulous. You take a still image, and Seedance 2.0 turns it into an actual cinematic video clip with built-in audio and SFX. Full ready clip. For other scenes, just follow the same process. All 7 images, all 7 clips, every single scene of Project Zero. Editing in Pippit. Just click on the video editor. Pippit has a native video editor built in. Same capability as CapCut. And if you know CapCut, you know that's not a small thing. I arranged every clip in order, then started cutting, tightening the pacing. You can add auto captions, add text and make it more cinematic, can add background music, can use quick cuts to make it more engaging, export it. Let's watch Project Zero.
You killed 12 of our best soldiers! How? Who sent you?
You trained me to, and you forgot to finish the job.
This is insane. No other tool gives you this level of workflow in one place. Script to storyboard to video to edit without leaving the platform. Pippit lets you actually direct your story from beginning to end. Pippit is an AI agent that understands your vision and transforms your stories into compelling, engaging content. And after building Project Zero, I genuinely believe that. If you want to try Pippit yourself, I've linked everything in the description below. The UTM link is down there. It's free to get started. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more AI workflow breakdowns like this. See you in the next one.